They say expectation often leads to disappointment. I notice the more I try to force things, the less I enjoy them. Often I take off on my own not knowing what to expect, and there are a few times when I am pleasantly surprised. There was this one night I decided to lay out on the shore after a long day out. I was actually about to leave earlier, but I heard there was going to be a fireworks show, so after debating laying in my bed an hour away, I told myself to just stay and wait and see. If it's bad, it's bad. And if it's good, it's good. But I wouldn't know if I just left, so I stayed. And I was amazed at what I saw. Lights cascading over the water, leaving a reflection. The camera doesn't do it justice. I don't like to have expectations for fear of disappointment. So I try to live being grateful regardless of whether an expectation was fulfilled. It's the best feeling to have an amazing moment without expectation. I don't mean to sound cliche or anything, but it's the moments like this, the ones that we least expect, that make life so special. The simple things are the best.